Your lighter's not working and out of butane fluid? Don't waste money on a new lighter. Refill it instead. In this video, we're going to show you how to refill empty butane lighters in just a few seconds. A canister of butane lighter fluid can refill a lighter several times, providing you extra savings in the long run. First, remove the cap from your butane lighter fluid to expose the nozzle tip. Then, take your empty lighter and turn it upside down. You'll see a small nozzle hole where the fuel will be filled from. Insert the nozzle of the butane lighter fluid to the nozzle hole on the lighter. Hold firmly and press down on the canister for about 2 to 5 seconds. You'll hear a hissing sound as the fuel is being administered. If your lighter is not filled completely, you can repeat the process by pressing down for another 2 to 5 seconds. This process works the same with all butane lighters that allow for refills. Just check for the nozzle hole at the bottom of the lighters. There you go, hope that was helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.